All right, welcome to a quick tutorial on how to clean your brushes after you've finished painting. So we are going to start off. Here is our palette. I am going to take and pinch the paint off of the brush into my rag. So every time I pinch, I'm kind of showing you what's coming off 3 or 4 times. That's going to get that brush pretty clean. I'm doing a little wiping here if you've got some excess. And pinching. As you pinch and pull it up, the paint's going to come off the brush and go into the rag. You can kind of put your brush, and I'm pulling downward each time, so I'm not trying to push the bristles up, and get a little bit more there. And then let's go over to the sink. Got a paper towel, do a little bit of the same thing here. Then I'm going to take a squirt of soap and put it in the palm of my hand. Then I'm going to take these brushes and I'm going to swirl them. I'm not jabbing them down. I'm swirling them around in different directions, trying to get the soap to just pull the paint out of the bristles. Once I've got a good amount on my hand, I'm going to turn on some warm water and I'm going to pinch these after I rinse them nicely and go into the paper towel, do the same thing again, and then I'm going to get some more soap and repeat. You probably are going to want to repeat probably at least twice. This is showing you the difference between, say, a liquid soap, and then this is more of a foam soap. Dish soap is probably the best. Didn't have any at this moment, so I didn't use that. So you're rinsing them, kind of pinching them as you rinse, trying to pull that paint out. Here goes one more attempt. And I'm still getting paint. As long as you're still getting a lot of paint out, you should keep going, even if it means doing this 5 times. You don't want to end up with crusty brushes, so you really just want to try and get as much as you can out. Maybe go back to your paper towel at the end, pinch it off one more time, check them out. If they look clean, then you're done. Happy painting.